We're here at Automechanica in Germany, and what we have done as a company is we have developed what we say is the quietest roof rack in the world. This has taken over 4 years of innovation and aeronautical design to get to that point. And we've spent a lot of time using the Canterbury University and their wind tunnel to develop the product and to prove our point. So what we have here is a wind tunnel that can generate speeds up to 160 kilometres per hour. And on the screen here we can actually graph the spectrum test of the acoustic noise, and you'll be able to see the differential and the spikes which prove where our noise is much less than anybody else. So what we have here is we have 4 spaces on the bar on this machine, and we put in here no bar, which therefore gives you the impression of what a roof sounds like with nothing on it. Then we have 3 other bars. We have the Whisbar, which is Hubco's product. We have an aero bar, which is very common in the European market and the world market, and we have a square bar, which is also a very common product used for roof racks. So what I can do is start the machine. You will then be able to hear the noise that happens from the machine, and then you'll be able to put each bar through. So if we start the machine, and we'll start it at 100 kilometres per hour. So we have the machine starting up. Select the roof, which has nothing in there, just the roof noise, and we record the noise that is made by the wind going over the roof of the vehicle as it travels. And there you can see the acoustic line that is generated by a vehicle. We now select the next bar, and as you can see, it now gets into the wind flow, and we record the sound that this bar makes, which is in actual fact is Whisbar, which is our product. And as you can see from the graph, we actually are very, very close to noise, the normal noise level made from a vehicle. We then select what we call the European Aero bar, and you have 2 things. One, you can hear the noise actually being generated by the bar in the wind, and we also now can record that noise, and as you can see there's quite a spike, and that spike is the whistle that when you're driving gets in your ear, because your ear is only literally inches away from where the bar is actually sitting on the front of your car. We now go to select the other bar, which is called the square bar, and again you can hear that high-pitched whistle, and we can record that, and you'll see the spike on the screen here, very high. So you can see the differential between the 3 bars is quite huge, and even between those 2, whereas our bar, the Whisbar, actually almost flatlines and comes below. You'll hear a differential in noise as I increase the speed, take it up to 120, and you can hear that whistle gets higher, and select that bar, and you can certainly hear that deviation in the noise. We come down now to the Whisbar, and there is virtually no noise that you can hear at all. I could push it up to 140, and again, no noise generated by the Whisbar. This is the European Aero bar, with the noise it is generating. And the square bar, again you hear that wind whistle. I can take it up to 160. Again, very high pitched noise. Select the Aero bar. Hard noise to listen to. And we come down to Whisbar, and you have no noise. So that's our demonstration. Be aware that this is a replica, but however it's proven that in a huge wind tunnel, and has been proven by the way that we are able to sell to the motive companies that are looking for a quiet bar, because it's the main complaint that happens in wind noise with roof racks. Thank you.